Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to fix the issue when you're not receiving the verification code on IMO. First of all, check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, IMO might not send the verification code. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. This usually solves the problem immediately. If the issue is not related to your internet, open your App Store at the bottom right. Tap on the search bar to start looking for the IMO app. Now, type IMO in the search bar at the top of the screen and search for the app. This will show IMO in the results so you can update it. After finding IMO, tap on the app to open its information page. If there's an update button in blue, tap on it to update the app. Updating usually fixes bugs that prevent verification codes from arriving. If updating the app doesn't work, try restarting your phone. A quick reboot can resolve temporary glitches in the app or network settings. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, uninstall the IMO app and reinstall it from the App Store. This ensures you have a fresh version of the app and usually solves the verification issue completely. So these are the steps to fix the issue when you're not receiving the verification code on IMO. Make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and drop a comment if you need help with any other app problems.